How to use the inkjet printer. Open the cover and connect the tube with the hole below. This is the escape pipe. Turn on the machine. After turning on the machine, take off the base and put the ink and diluent into the container. Ink and diluent 100%. And then it suggests the ink container is empty. Press yes. Fill ink to the system around 3到5分钟 Use. Do not press any button during this time. Press setting. This tool is for turning on the machine. This tool is for turning off the machine. Press fast and yes. Prepare the bottle in the ink head. Now the machine is filling for the machine. Wait for 100% finished is okay. Do not press any button during this time.